What if I told you that the reason you're still broke might not be your income, but the silent money mistakes you keep repeating every single day? These mistakes are invisible. They drain your wealth slowly. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize until it's too late. So today, I'm going to expose the 5 biggest money mistakes that keep people stuck in the cycle of being poor, and how you can avoid them to finally start building real wealth. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. You make money, and it's gone before the next month begins. Bills, rent, food, entertainment, everything consumes your salary, and you tell yourself, I'll save next month. But next month looks exactly the same. Here's the brutal truth. If you don't learn to pay yourself first, you will always stay poor. Rich people save and invest before they spend. Poor people spend first and hope to save later. Even saving 10% of your income consistently can change your entire financial future. Mistake number 2. Buying things to impress others. That new iPhone, that luxury car on loan, that designer bag. We buy things, not because we need them, but because we want other people to think we're successful. But here's the harsh reality. Nobody actually cares. They're too busy thinking about themselves. Meanwhile, your bank account is bleeding, and the only one you're truly impressing is your debt collector. Wealthy people don't chase appearances. They chase freedom. Stop buying things you can't afford to impress people you don't even like. Mistake number 3. Not investing early. You keep waiting for the perfect time to invest. Maybe you think, I'll start when I earn more money. But by the time you actually start, you've already lost the most powerful wealth builder of all, time. Compounding is magic. If you invest $500 a month from age 25, by retirement, you could have millions. But if you wait until 35, you'll need to invest almost double to catch up. The earlier you start, the less you need. The later you start, the harder it gets. Remember this. It's not timing the market that makes you rich. It's time in the market. Mistake number 4. Relying on one income stream. Most people depend on a single paycheck, and if that paycheck disappears, their entire life collapses. The rich know this secret. One income is never enough. They build multiple streams, investments, businesses, side hustles, real estate. Even if one fails, others keep paying. That's how they build financial security. If you only rely on one job, you're walking on thin ice. Start building at least one extra source of income today. Even if it's small, it could save you tomorrow. Mistake number 5. Ignoring financial education. You learned algebra in school, but nobody taught you how money works, and now you avoid learning about it and because it feels boring or complicated. But here's the truth. Ignorance is the most expensive thing you can afford. If you don't understand money, banks, credit cards, and financial systems will use that ignorance against you. Wealthy people read books on finance. They study investing, taxes, money management, because knowledge pays the highest interest. So, let's recap. The 5 money mistakes keeping you poor are living paycheck to paycheck, buying things to impress others, not investing early, relying on one income stream, and ignoring financial education. If you can avoid just these 5, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Wealth isn't about luck. It's about choices. And the choices you make with your money today will decide whether you stay broke or finally achieve financial freedom. So tell me, Which of these mistakes are you guilty of right now? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this eye-opening, smash that like button, subscribe, and get ready for more videos. That will change the way you think about money forever.